Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a simple, easy, chilling, quick meal. And I wanna cook some yellow rice with some shrimp and sweet peas. So just watch me cook. I will also just probably do a voiceover of probably what I use and everything. And yeah, just watch me cook because I just want to make some content, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go shop KIARA'S. We got a candle right there burning right now, like right there. Look, right here. Like I told y'all, this is Sandy. Sandy been burning. My candles very much so do last. So go shop right now. Code is YouTube. I'm put it right there. So use the code YouTube and shop. Get you guys a candle if you want to sample one. Like if you want to sample a scent, get a wax melt so that you don't spend like so much on a candle. But I promise you, you will not regret from shopping from us. Very much so luxury, very much so expensive, and that's just KIARA'S in general. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and follow your girl on Instagram at _Cypriana and my business Instagram at KIARA'S, period. Okay, peace. So you guys, I'm finna put on the sweet peas. I got the pot ready. That's the sweet peas that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use the can opener. It's a wireless can opener that I got, I think, at a Walmart. And I'm just going to let that open. And then as that is opening, I'm actually going to do, I think I did 1 cup of rice. 1 cup of rice. Put a cup of water. Put that thing on the stove and let it boil and start cooking. And y'all, this gonna be a busting meal. I ain't gonna cap. This meal gonna be good. I promise you. So make sure you try it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. as you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
A black line. nuts melt. And yeah, use the code YouTube at checkout, KIARA'S.com. So we are done cooking. Y'all look at that. Juicy shrimp, some sweet peas, and some yellow rice. Peace out.